I don't invest in Calgary real estate. There, I said it. I don't. I'm a Calgary residential commercial realtor, and I don't invest in Calgary real estate.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Watch this video and learn some of the reasons why I don't invest in Calgary real estate. My name's Andrew, commercial and residential realtor here in Calgary, Alberta. Let's go. The main reason I don't invest in Calgary real estate is my strategy. So when you're investing, you have to have some sort of strategy. And my strategy, I invest for cash flow, and very difficult to make Calgary real estate cash flow. So by cash flow, I mean when I take all things into consideration, like your capex, property tax, your mortgage payback, and vacancy. There's in most Calgary real estate, you end up having to put money out of pocket at the end of the day. If it cash flows, after all those deductions, there's going to be some money remaining, and that's your cash flow. After all the bills have been paid, that's what's in your pocket. That's what can go in the bank for your next investment. Okay. Very difficult for Calgary real estate in doing that. You are seeing investors rent out per room, and that's the way they're making a cash flow. But that's a selective market that I don't choose to go down. So cash flow is one reason why I don't invest. Second reason, I'm looking for value add. There's lots of value add property in Calgary, but I'm looking for value add property. So basically purchasing a property that needs work in some sort of capacity, whether it's renovation or just services, and I'm looking to add value to that property. So I'm looking at a discount, and though you can buy properties at a discount in Calgary, sometimes it's in not as desirable area. Third reason, I'm not scared to go outside of my circle. A few years ago, we purchased 2 duplexes, so 4 units out in Northern Ontario. I had never been to Northern Ontario. I just heard that they cash flow, the properties do cash flow quite a bit. I had ran the numbers, and based on the purchase price and all the numbers, they were cash flowing like $500 at the end. So I'm not scared to be an out-of-province, out-of-state landlord. Those are the main reasons why I don't invest in Calgary. Cash flow, my strategy, purchasing for cash flow. I'm looking for value and just deeply discounted properties that are value add. And I'm not scared to take a calculated risk in going outside of province and being an out-of-province landlord. Don't get me wrong, there is lots of real estate, and for some, Calgary real estate is a great opportunity. So if you're in a market that is super expensive, like what we're seeing in 21, in 22, we're seeing an influx of out-of-province investors coming to the Calgary market because their market is super expensive. Like we're talking the Ontario market, British Columbia market, sometimes even foreign markets. So they're super expensive, and so when they see what their dollar can get you for in Calgary, boom, it's worth it because they can't get into their existing market. So definitely for those people, they might see Calgary as attractive. Tell me about yourself. Do you invest for appreciation or cash flow? Are you scared to take risks on value add projects, or are you an out of province out of state landlord? Comment below. This is Coach Joseph, coaching through the real estate process. Bye.